Today we're making a paper airplane. This is what the finished product is going to look like, alright? Should work good. Now, a single white piece of paper. Alright, printing paper, whatever. You can get it bigger, but this is what I like to use. Fold it in half, long ways.
Then the title is just right here after
I had some start. Did you want to fade
open
in
it back
at the
up.
beginning?
So you have a crease.
Just starts right there.
Now, fold the corners in to where you folded it. So it looks like that.
Shows I'm doing that. And then it goes to the title and has like this booming sound. And then the music starts.
The more exact you make this, the better it'll be. Now once it's like that, fold up should look like that. Alright? Look at a little car.
Wow.
Now you fold the corners down. Fold them down, both sides. Show what they look like.
Okay. And I just want you to know, anything that goes on YouTube, you gotta have to approve it first.
It looks like this. Now, do the same thing again. Both sides. Looks like that. Then you open the wings up. Looks like an airplane. It's good. My name's Adam, and thank you for watching How to Make a Paper Airplane.